Unboxing idioms. Put a label on it. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, put a label on it. This phrase is more than just a few words. It's a doorway to understanding nuances in English communication. So, let's get started and decode this idiom together. Put a label on it is an intriguing phrase that goes beyond its literal meaning. When you think of a label, you might imagine a sticker on a product that tells you what it is. But in the realm of conversation and relationships, to put a label on it means to define or classify a situation or relationship clearly. It's like saying, let's make it clear what this is. But why do we even talk about labeling in relationships or situations? Well, it's all about clarity and understanding. When someone says, let's put a label on it, they're often seeking to remove ambiguity. It's like saying, are we friends? Are we more than that? Let's define it. This phrase is particularly common in the context of romantic relationships but can be applied in various other scenarios too. Let's see how this phrase comes to life in everyday conversations. 1. Romantic context. We've been seeing each other for a while now. Don't you think it's time we put a label on it? Are we boyfriend and girlfriend? 2. Professional setting. This project has been going on without clear direction. I think it's time we put a label on everyone's roles and responsibilities. 3. General use. You've been helping out a lot at the event. Should we put a label on it and call you the coordinator? Understanding, put a label on it, also means appreciating the cultural context in which it's used. In societies that value directness and clarity, this phrase is a polite yet straightforward way of seeking definition. However, it's also important to note that in some cultures or situations, directly asking to define a relationship or situation might be seen as too forward or aggressive. And there you have it, the essence of the phrase, put a label on it. It's more than just a series of words. It's about clarity, understanding, and sometimes the courage to seek direct answers. We hope this video helps you navigate through not just the language but also the intricate dance of communication and relationships. Keep learning, and remember, language is not just about words, it's about connecting with others. See you in the next video.